Hello, welcome. We're going to do a quick tutorial on minting a 360 photo as an NFT. And it's going to take just a few minutes, and we're going to lead you straight through the process. Right now we are on the Orbix Minter. It's a fully functional marketplace for NFT creation on the Tezos blockchain. So we're going to head over to orbix360.com. Under Create New, you'll come up with these templates. So just choose the 360 template, and we're going to do a 360 NFT. And going to go ahead and just select our photo here. This is a 360 photo. So I'm going to open that up and hit create. And this is going to take just a minute or two. It's creating a blank VR scene that then wraps a 360 photo around the sky element. And from there, we can go ahead and easily mint that into a NFT. So here we have this VR scene. And if we wanted to add other elements, we could. We could add different things like images, text, hotspots, and stuff into this, and then they would show up here. But for right now, like I said, we're just going to really quickly create this orb. I want to add rotation to it, and then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and hit the Mint NFT button, and just go ahead and mint it. And what it's doing is it's zipping this up, and it's going to open it back up into the Minter, the NFT marketplace. So this is pretty fast. It's already completed there. This is the zip file that it created, and you can see we're back in the marketplace. Right now you do have to pull in your own display image, so this is a screenshot that I had taken earlier, and then just fill all this information out, and and then go ahead and mint it. It's that simple. And what you'll see is once you mint it, it'll look like this. And if you need some assistance setting up a wallet or getting started, we have some things in our fax. And you can always reach out to us on Discord or send us an email. Thank you very much, and please reach out to us. Thank you.